Welcome to our journey through time and space as we uncover the fascinating facts about how our Earth was formed. From a chaotic sea of energy and particles to the life-sustaining planet we call home, it's a tale of cosmic proportions. Fasten your seatbelts as we rewind the cosmic clock nearly 14 billion years to witness the birth of our universe and the incredible chain of events that led to our own existence. Let's journey back to the very beginning, a time when the universe as we know it was confined to an infinitely dense point. Then, in a sudden burst of rapid expansion, the Big Bang occurred. Imagine, if you will, all of space and time exploding outwards, a maelstrom of energy unimaginable. Within fractions of a second, the universe cooled and the fundamental forces of nature as we understand them began to take hold. From this primordial soup, the building blocks of matter emerged, setting the stage for the creation of stars, galaxies, and eventually planets like our own. About 4.6 billion years ago, in a rather unremarkable corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a giant molecular cloud, a swirling mass of gas and dust, began to collapse under its own gravity. As this cloud contracted, it began to spin faster and faster, like a figure skater drawing in their arms. At the center of this whirling cloud, the Sun, our very own star, ignited in a blaze of nuclear fusion. Further out in the swirling disk of leftover material, the seeds of our solar system's planets began to form. Chapter 3. Within the Sun's protoplanetary disk, a chaotic dance of dust grains and ice particles was taking place. Through a process called accretion, these tiny particles, drawn together by electrostatic forces, began to clump together, forming larger and larger bodies. Over millions of years, these clumps grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. And in the midst of this cosmic ballet, one particular planetesimal, destined to become our Earth, continued to draw in material growing ever larger. Chapter 4. Imagine the early Earth, a molten, fiery world still in its infancy. Now picture another planet, roughly the size of Mars, that astronomers have named Theia, on a collision course with our young planet. The impact was cataclysmic, a collision so powerful that it reshaped the Earth, literally blasting molten rock and debris into orbit. Over time, this debris coalesced under its own gravity, forming our moon, a constant companion in the vastness of space. Theia's sacrifice, in a sense, gave Earth the celestial partner that would influence our tides, stabilize our rotation, and ultimately play a role in the conditions that allowed life to flourish. Chapter 5. After the fiery chaos of the early solar system subsided, the Earth began to cool. As the molten surface gradually solidified, a primitive crust formed, marking a pivotal step in our planet's evolution. But the Earth's interior remained a hotbed of activity, driving volcanic eruptions that spewed gases into the atmosphere, shaping the very air we breathe. And deep beneath the surface, the engine of plate tectonics rumbled to life, setting in motion the forces that would shape continents, build mountains, and create the dynamic, ever-changing planet we know today. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Earth's early history, from the unimaginable fury of the Big Bang to the slow, patient process of planetary formation. We've witnessed the awe-inspiring events that led to our planet's birth. It's a story that underscores our profound connection to the cosmos, a reminder that we are, each and every one of us, made of star stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.